Hello, my name is Dan Bunker, and welcome to my course, Creating Your First Spring Boot Application. I've been building software applications and doing software consulting for many years now in the Salt Lake City area. Many applications that I have built have used Spring Boot. Why do I use this framework? Well, that is easy to answer. Spring Boot makes building quality Java applications fast and easy. In this course, we're going to learn exactly what Spring Boot is and why you might want to use it on your next project. Some of the major topics and exercises that we will cover include containerless architectures, customizing and configuring Spring Boot, deploying Spring Boot in production environments, and finally, we'll be building a Spring Boot app from scratch. By the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to create and work with a Spring Boot app, which will give you the ability to utilize this framework on your own real-world project. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with just some basic Java, the Maven build tool, and web application fundamentals such as endpoints, REST, and relational databases. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into the Spring framework with courses on Core Spring, Spring MVC, and Spring Data JPA. I hope you join me on this journey to learn Spring Boot with the Creating Your First Spring Boot Application course at Pluralsight.